So this is our website. I hope everyone has done, at least tried it. Very good. I just want, if whatever your output is, can you just share it on a WhatsApp? Also, just I will have a look. So this is our HTML form without CSS, and we just want to make it something like this. So we'll go by hints that I provided. Reset margin and padding. So whatever the default margin and padding provided by the browser, will reset it. So margin 0, padding 0. We reset the margin and padding. Then add border box to the box sizing, so that when we add padding, it should not get added into width. Otherwise, what will happen? It will just affect our width. So I don't want that behavior. So what I will do, box sizing border box. So whenever I will add padding, it won't affect my width. Okay. So it removed margin and padding. You can see that. Earlier it was here. When I say margin and padding 0, all margin and padding are reset. That's. Then add some background color to body. I can add some line height also. Use space between all the inputs. 1.8 em. Yeah, that looks nice. I can remove the underline. Text decoration, none. So underline is removed. So these are for body. We did anchor and now the container. What is container? So this form, the container is container for all this form wrap, and in form wrap we have the form. The form we have, then we have form wrap, which consists is h1 and p, and footer also. But this div is only belongs to form wrap, and the container belong consisting all this element like footer, header, and the form all. So container, what is there? Margin auto, so that it will come into the center. So I will add some margin auto. Firstly, I need to add some width also. So max width 450 pixels. 450 pixels and margin auto, it come into a center. I want it some margin at the top. So मैं क्या करूँगा, थोड़ा margin top में डाल दूँगा. So it will be like 20 pixel. 20 pixel top and bottom, and left and right auto. आगे थोड़ा दीजिए. अभी फॉर्म रैप इज व्हाट, ये जो हमारा फॉर्म है, एक्चुअल फॉर्म यहाँ तक, इसके लिए हमने ये यूज किया है. तो विल प्रोवाइड सम वाइट बैकग्राउंड जस्ट लाइक वी हैव हियर. तो क्या करेंगे, बैकग्राउंड कलर व्हाइट. वी कैन एटलीस्ट छोटा कर देते इसका विड्थ. डोंट नीड 450 एक्चुअली. ठीक है, और क्या कर सकते हैं? H1 and P, H1 and P will center this. So center text को align कैसे करते हैं? Text align. center. Each label input is wrapped in for group. So हर from group के अंदर we have one label and we have one input. What we will do, we'll add some padding. That's looking nice. Label should be turned into a block element. So label is by default an inline element. So as soon as I convert it into a block, it will occupy whole the horizontal space. So क्या करेंगे हम, डिस्प्ले ब्लॉक, जैसे मैं बोलूंगा वो इस इनपुट को नेक्स्ट लाइन पे पुश कर देगा, बिकॉज ब्लॉक एलिमेंट यूजुअली ऑक्यूपाई होल कंप्लीट विड्थ. तो वहां पे हो गया. और क्या कर सकते हैं हम इसको, इनपुट. सो ऑल इनपुट क्या हिंट क्या है, make it 100% and I have some padding. So we'll have width of 100% and we'll add some padding like 10 pixel. We can add some border radius also, so it will just round the corners. Okay, this border is quite bigger, so we will change the border 1 px solid. Now it's quite thinner, तो हमने border change कर दी. और क्या है भी बटन. So button का width will make 100%. We'll add some padding over here. Padding डाल दिया. और क्या कर सकते हैं, या बैकग्राउंड कलर. बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज हो गया. डिस्प्ले एज ब्लॉक, तो पूरा स्पेस सही से ऑक्यूपाई करेगा. लॉक किया. जब भी हम कर्सर मूव कर रहे हैं तो अभी कुछ यहाँ हो नहीं रहा है, तो विल हैव सम डिफरेंट बिहेवियर बाय यूजिंग अ सूडो सिलेक्टर कॉल ओवर. So we'll change background color whenever we are moving our cursor. तो अभी देखो ये कलर थोड़ा डार्क है. We can even change our cursor. तो मैं इसका कर्सर पॉइंटर बना देता हूँ. तो जैसे ही मैं इस पे लेके जाऊंगा कर्सर बिकम्स पॉइंटर लाइक दिस. टेक्स्ट भी थोड़ा वाइट कर सकते हैं इफ यू वांट. नाउ इट्स लुकिंग गुड. फॉर्म गुड. padding we add 10 pixel to all the things, but we can specify something more than that. So I'm just thinking to make it 15. तो पैडिंग थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा। पैडिंग बढ़ गया। अभी लास्ट में क्या बचा है, फॉर्म रैप बटन टेक्स्ट, ये जो बटन का टेक्स्ट दिख रहा है, so we just want bottom text smaller, so what how can we do that, like font size by default होता है उसका size 16 pixel, so we'll make it 14 pixel, हो गया। footer, this is a footer, so we can center it by using a text align as it is a text, center में आ गया। can change his color of this link, so we are almost there. I don't think, yeah, so we're almost there. I don't find anything difference. Some difference is there. So like this, we can change the color into white. Weight is smaller. That is completely okay. We can add some padding over here so that it will come into like come some bottom over here. So what was for all this container? Like container is holding all this thing. Form wrap is just having this form up to button, and this is footer, and this is button wrap. So in container, we can add some padding that we miss, which holding all this whatever the container we have. Let's add 20 pixel. Yeah. So we added some padding. And in form wrap also we add some padding, so it will add some padding into this form if you want so. But I don't think we need anything. Yeah, so I guess we are almost done. Do you have any queries? So do you have any queries? Whatever property I use. We can add some more properties also, but it was something that was I was expected from you. Yeah. So whatever query regarding or whatever problem you are facing, you can ask. No one? Okay, if no one has question, so we can just go ahead with our next topic. Actually, I'm not covering any topic on today. I'm just giving you an idea what will start from tomorrow. Yeah. So from tomorrow, we'll start our first mini project that is on hotel website. So we'll make one hotel website like this. which will have one home page, some about content, and this which will have about, which is the same, and contact form. In contact form we write something like that. So this is the website we are going to build. But before that, I just want everyone should be clear with all the CSS concept or properties that we practice. So I'm not taking any further lessons over here, but I am just keeping this half an hour what we have for all the queries you might have. So अब तक हमारा we almost got all the estimates and CSS properties. So जो हम वॉटल वेबसाइट बनाने वाले हैं, जो भी मैंने फॉर्म बनाया, उसके आई डोंट थिंक एक भी ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है जो हमने कभी यूज नहीं की. Whatever properties we use, we learned it in our previous lecture. बट फिर भी कल से हम वेबसाइट स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, तो अगर कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी में कुछ भी कंफ्यूजन है तो यू कैन गो अहेड एंड आस्क, विल कवर इट. Everyone is clear about all the CSS properties? No doubt.